Hello, this is Richard Music with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and begin generating more revenue for your business month after month. Now, to do this, we first have to understand how people are finding pressure washing businesses in your area. And most people just go on to Google and type in whatever service or industry they want, plus the city, and then they normally pick from the first few results down below or in the map pack that you see on the screen. Now you'll notice that there are a search volume of 10 pressure washing in Anaheim, California. Now, if we can put your business at the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 10 potential customers will see your business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do this, we'll have to do a few things first. First, let's start with the Google map since we're already on the search results page here. Now, this map pack can be an important part of generating traffic for your business. And one of the factors it looks for when selecting where a company ranks is citations. Now, citations are where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, and so on. Currently, your top competitors have 23, 29, and 33 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling the biggest number. So we'll need 66 citations in order to really move up in the map pack, but it doesn't really stop there. We also have the organic search results down below in this area here. Now, these results look for a few different things in the map pack. So let's take a look at your competition's website and we'll see how they rank on their first page. Now, what you'll notice is that they have a lot of content on their page, as well as a lot of keywords and key phrases like pressure washing and Anaheim. And you'll see this scattered throughout their website. Now, keywords and phrases, if you will, used on web pages that signify to Google vital information about our business, such as what we do and where we operate from. And this is going to help them put us in searches related to our business, such as high volume and business related searches like pressure washing. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while maintaining a high volume of content. With what I recommend is a minimum of 750 to 1,000 words on your homepage. But if I told you that all you needed was content and keywords, I'd be lying, as we will also need backlinks to really push forward in the rankings, as content and keywords lay the foundation, while backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure. Now you'll notice here that your competitor has 142 backlinks on their website, and that's causing them to really generate some power for themselves while they are drawing in 1.12 thousand customers each and every month. And this is a direct result of both their website internal factors, such as the keywords and content that we discussed, as well as the backlink structure that you've seen here. So, with all of the information that I've provided thus far, I ask you, what could this extra traffic each month do for your business? I really hope that you have found this information helpful, and I thank you for taking the time to watch. Again, this is Richard Music with Quantum Leads, wishing you a wonderful day.